Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to integrate this Zigbee3 to Home Assistant. And this is a humidity and temperature sensor, and this is also a Zigbee protocol. So this video I will show you how to step by step integrate this Zigbee gateway. You can see here that is Zigbee3 version, and this is a sensor, also is the 3 version. So you can add any Zigbee3 version product to this Zigbee gateway. So this gateway is support the Ethernet and the Wi-Fi, but I suggest you use the Ethernet because of the stable. And this is the power, that is USB-C, just for power supply, and this is reset. So you just need to connect with the network cable and the power on. So you can see the red LED and the green LED. Okay. Now we will look at this sensor. This big package, just only this sensor, very small. And this is stick. You can stick on the wall. So you can see this is a temperature and humidity sensor. Also have the pressure. Okay, let's begin with the Home Assistant step by step. Here you can see our home automation lessons, that is lesson 34, that is how to install Zigbee3 gateway and to Home Assistant. And also I will show you how to use this sensor integrate to this gateway. Okay, totally just 3 steps is very easy. Just the first step, you need to install Zigbee2 MQTT to Home Assistant, and the second, just configure it. The third, that is you need to install this Zigbee Home Automation, we call it ZHA. Okay, let's do the step by step. You can see here that is our Home Assistant. I have installed the Home Assistant on this KC868 server that have a CM4 Raspberry Pi 4 inside of the box. So that is a local server for the home automation system. You can see here that is CM4, and in this box that have digital input and digital output. Okay, now we're back to the Home Assistant, and the first we need to connect this network cable, so you can find out your device. We can see this device, that is Zigbee gateway. So this is IP address of my Zigbee gateway, because we will use this IP address in the configuration of the Home Assistant. So you just need to know this. So you can see also I can use this IP address to input at the web browser. Here you can see that is the Zigbee gateway. Actually, this is used by the Tasmota because it's open source solution. And the first step, we need to install Zigbee2 MQTT. We can copy this URL and go to this Home Assistant, and we can set and add-on store. And you can click this add-on store and click this button and this one and paste this URL and click add. And because I have already added this URL to this add-on store, you just click add, and then you will see your add-on store official list. You will see this one, Zigbee2 MQTT. Maybe you have this one and this one. I suggest you choose this one. This is for standard. So you can click and click this install. So it will auto download from the internet and install this Zigbee2 MQTT protocol. And you can see after we install this first step, the second step just need to configure this Zigbee2 MQTT. So we can use this server port, just copy and paste, very easy. So you can see I can copy. I just wait this complete. Okay, you can see that is install complete. Before we start, we need to click configuration, and you can see here that have a server port. So we can paste my code, the port, and adapt. So you can see here is the IP address. This is our Zigbee gateway IP address. You can see this one. If your IP address is not this one, you need to input actual IP address of your gateway. And the port is fixed by this 6638, not needed to change. You just need to change this IP address. And this name also you cannot need to change. ezsp. So we can click save. Okay, when you click the save, we back to the information, and we can click this show in sidebar and click start. Okay, it start. We can click this logo, and you can see that the logo information have output. Just wait for a moment. We can refresh. So you can see at the last, the Zigbee to MQTT started. So that is successfully complete. Okay, we're back to the guide. You can see the last step, just config Zigbee Home Automation add-on. So you can click back, and we can click set and device and add integration, and we input Zigbee. You can see here that is Zigbee Home Automation, just a ZHA. You can click. Okay, this you need to select a server port. We can add manually. Choose this one and submit. And this we have named ezsp, so we can choose this one and submit. Okay, the server device path and the speed. So you can see here, we can just copy and paste, that is socket, and paste it here. Also, you make sure your IP address is your gateway IP address. And this port is this one, just as this one. Okay, with this choose the software, submit. Okay, you can see this is complete. Now you can see choose a network setting for your radio. We just click keep radio network setting. Okay, this is successful. We can click finish because we need to add this humidity and temperature sensor. So we can ready to this and make sure you have installed the battery and click add device. This will be scanned, and I hold on this button, that 5 seconds, more than 5 seconds, and you will see the quick blink that we have ready to compare the system of the Zigbee. Okay, you can see this device is scanned. That means we have detected the Zigbee sensor. So we can clear a bedroom for this Zigbee sensor. So we can see, I can go to, because this is the weather, that I can go to the dashboard, and such as I have the 8 follow, I can add this dashboard, add the entities, and I choose the name, Zigbee sensor, and the weather. So you can see this is sensor, battery, and weather, that is humidity, and that is pressure, the pressure, and that is temperature. So you can see I can click save. Now we can see the sensor can detect the temperature and humidity and the pressure, and see this state on the Home Assistant. So this is how to integrate sensor to this Zigbee gateway. If you have many different Zigbee sensor or Zigbee device, you can also use this way by the Zigbee Home Automation and integrate to the Zigbee gateway very easily. Okay, thanks for watching.